Meaning of force feed.
Force feed.
Force feed.
Force feed.
Force feed. Force feed means to physically or emotionally impose something on someone, often against their will or desire. It can refer to the act of feeding someone who is unable or unwilling to eat, or to imposing an idea or belief on someone through coercion or pressure. The result of force feeding can vary depending on the context, but it can include physical discomfort, emotional trauma, and damage to the trust and relationship between the person being force-fed and the person doing the forcing.